Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I am so excited for this. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I post 4 videos a week. I like to do a balance of old and new makeup on my channel, and I usually like to do a get ready with me once a week, and I do a lot of shop my stash and things like that as well. But this is going to be new to me makeup. I am very excited. I've only gotten a Beautylish Lucky Bag one other time and it was only okay. I didn't love it. I got the smaller one, which is $75. It's supposed to be a value of about $150, and then they have one that costs $150 that is supposed to have a value roughly of about $300. So I have no idea what's in here. I am excited, so let's just get into it. Alrighty, here it is. I'm excited because I've been watching these videos for the last few days. I wasn't sure when mine was gonna get here, but oh, it's all kind of all... I'm gonna try to reach in somewhat mysteriously. But yes, if you didn't know, this is something that goes for sale December 26th on Beautylish. So if you are interested in doing it in the future, I recommend signing up because they do sell out pretty quickly. Okay, this is something large-ish. Okay, here we go. Yes. I have watched enough of these videos to know that you always get something from Good Molecules. And this is the Rosewater Daily Cleansing Gel, which is funny because I'll be posting an empties video soon and I'll have one of these in here. So I purchased quite a few products from Good Molecules myself sometime last year, and I completely finished this. I do like it. I enjoyed it. However, the only thing that I don't like about it is that it is a glass bottle. And when I'm washing my face, my hands are slippery and I am accident prone. So I prefer different type of packaging for a face wash, but I've used up an entire bottle of this and I did like it. So definitely we'll use that. So not bad. And there's always something from Good Molecules. Every box I've ever seen has something from Good Molecules. Okay, here's something smaller. Oh my gosh, this is, okay. This is hilarious because the only other time I got a Beautylish Lucky Bag, I got these same Ardell lashes, and I'm pretty sure, oh my, they're still sitting here. I'll just show you because this is comical. If I can find them. Actually, I must have just recently thrown them away because I cannot find them, but I was so laughing in that video because I don't wear false eyelashes, but it's fine. It's totally fine. Not bad. So far, 1 out of the 2 items has been good. Okay. Yes, okay, this is what I wanted. I wanted another Sonia G brush. Like I said, the one other time I got a Lucky Bag, I got the Sonia G Worker 3. And yes, and I got a different one than the one I have. I've never bought a Sonia G brush. That is still the only one I have, but it is a beautiful quality and full price on her eye brushes. They are about $32. So this one is the Crease Pro. This is one that I've wanted. This is so exciting to me. I am thrilled. I was so hoping I would get a Sonia G brush. Love it. Okay. So far, 2 out of these have been awesome. Let's see what this is. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. So far, I am like shocked. This is already way better than the Lucky Bag I got 2 years ago. The Natasha Denona Bronze Cheek Face Glow Palette. If you saw my last video, it was a testing new makeup video, and in that I had 2 of the Chic minis, one of the mini blushes and then the Bronze and Glow mini duo. It was my first time trying her Chic products, and I absolutely love the blush and the bronzer, and I was saying that I've wanting to try more of her Chic products. And I've particularly wanted to try the cream products. And this has, let me show you, 2 cream products and 2 powder products. And actually several of you guys have recommended this palette to me and you have told me that it is very good. And it has the little window, so it's covering the cheek or the cream products. Okay, so far I am like blown away by this, especially compared to the last Lucky Bag I got. So far, this is amazing. And like I said, I got the $75 one. This is the less expensive one. This is not the $150 one. Okay, I am like so thrilled right now. Let's see. Okay, let's just put that on the floor. Danessa Myrick's. I know. Okay, this, hold on, give me a second. I need to open this. Okay, I'm so thrilled yet again. I got an email notification that I got this delivered while I was at work today, and all day I was just like, I want to go home and film this video. I'm so excited. Okay, Danessa Myrick's Color Fix Glaze. It's a longwear. It's for either gloss, eye, lip, or cheek product. This shade is Espresso. Let's just swatch it since we're here. Why not? It's very cold though, because this did sit on my porch for a while. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a burgundy color. Okay, I'm gonna have to test it for, I think for me, like gloss, this would be a gloss shade I would really, really like. So, okay, let me just wipe this off on this tissue paper. And I did a wish list video at the beginning of the year, and I specifically said I want to try Danessa Myrick's. So here we are getting to try Danessa Myrick's. So, okay, now I have that all over my finger, but it's fine. Okay. What is this? What does it say? I cannot read this. Surratt. I have heard about this brand, but I have never bought anything from Surratt. Definitely some luxury YouTubers that I watch talk about their products, but oh my gosh, if I can get this out, here we go. I don't even know what this is. This is like the most difficult to read packaging because it's just all black. Surratt, what are you? Oh, I thought it was gonna be a mascara. Let's see what the bottom says. Lip Slick, okay, in Paramore. Lip product, I don't mind. Ooh, it's glossy, peach. Obviously, I love peachy lip colors. That's what I'm wearing today. That looks nice, and it's very, almost seems, well, that's what it's called. Lip Slick, makes sense that it's like a gloss in a stick form. This is cool. Actually, I'm really excited, and I've never tried Surratt. This packaging, I don't know if you can tell, it looks like it's black, but it has a bit of dark purple in it. It's actually really, really beautiful. I think there's only one thing left. What is this? Silver box. I don't recognize it. Wayne Goss. Okay, I've never tried Wayne Goss, but I've been curious about the brand. This is something I wouldn't buy, I don't think myself. But actually, this is pretty cool. If I can, I'm like so excited. I'm just tearing through all of this packaging. If I can open it. Okay, this Wayne Goss Imperial Topaz palette. I mean, this is very neutral, but this is great for an everyday friendly type palette. Since we're here, let's just do some swatches. There's one very, very sparkly shade. That looks pretty. And then the others are kind of more satins or mattes. And the black eyeshadow, let me just swatch that one too. I'm very picky about black eyeshadow, but a good black eyeshadow makes the world of a difference, honestly. So, don't fall. All right. So yeah, some of the eyeshadows, they're a bit subtle. That black though, that's swatched really, really well. The shimmer is very pretty. Oh, I'm very excited about this lip product and the Danessa Myrick's as well. So, okay, I'm pretty sure that's it. Let me just make sure, but that was amazing. Okay, I am beyond thrilled with this box. I will add up the total and put that up on the screen. Honestly, I love everything except the false eyelashes, which is really not bad. One thing out of this entire box that I'm not into. And yeah, that's just because I don't wear false eyelashes. And sadly, I don't know anybody in my real life who wears them either. So I don't really know who I could give that to. that was kind of my plan for this. I was like, well, if there's stuff that I already have, I can just give it to like my mom or something like that. But literally everything in here, the only thing I've even tried before is this, and I've completely finished it. So it's like, why not get a new one? Wayne Goss, I admit this is not a brand I would buy from, but I'm intrigued to try it. So for me, this is like the perfect thing to get in here. And these are very everyday friendly colors. I know sometimes they have other eyeshadow or other brush brands, but I really wanted another Sonia G brush. And the fact that I got that and I got one of the ones I really wanted is beyond exciting. So thrilled about that. Danessa Myrick's, can't wait. This Surratt lip slick looks amazing. And then of course, Natasha Denona. I mean, and that's the thing, funny enough, I've been watching a lot of these and a lot of people have gotten some of her mid-size palettes. And I was actually really hoping not to get that because I already own all of them. I have a lot of her eyeshadow palettes. I don't own all of them, but I have all of the mid-size palettes and quite a few of the full size and the minis. So I was like, oh, I don't want to get an eyeshadow palette that I already own, which again, could have given it to my mom, but still, I'm so happy I got this face palette. So the fact that, and I paid $90 including shipping and tax. I mean, just like these three, well worth that. This I think is $15. The Wayne Goss palette I'm sure is like $40 or $50. So well worth it, you guys. I am so excited. Let us know, did you get the Beautylish Lucky Bag? Did you get the larger one or the small one? What did you think? I am very excited because, as I mentioned, the one other time that I got the Lucky Bag, I was kind of disappointed. Not completely, but it was nothing like this, let me tell you. So that is it. Stay tuned because I'm still uploading 4 videos a week, and this week is actually 5 because this is a bonus video. I had no idea when this box would arrive. That is it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.